This is an engine block heater on a Ram 1500, and if you're thinking about doing this yourself, here's what you're signing up for. Two bolts off of this heat shield. One of them's exposed and the other one is up there. Let's see if I can get this camera in there. And this guy right here, this long extension. So starter bolt 1 up on top, hopefully you can see that, and then 2 is down there. So we gotta loosen both of those. So this is the setup just to get this thing off. So extension, over the front axle, and now I'm on the bottom starter bolt. Yeah, here we go, cool. So there, with the starter out, you can see in here, there is the engine block heater, and now we can get to it. Now I got the engine block heater loose, there's the bolt. This thing should slide out. Nope. Turn it. It's out, good. Good. So now the starter's in, and the starter bolts are torqued to 30 foot-pounds. Don't forget to reconnect this guy. The heat shield bolts in. And now, before I put this fender liner back in, we're just about wrapped up here. I'm gonna go ahead and run this cord the same path that the old cord had. Okay, now I got the heater cord wire ran from back up in there, down, around, over, behind the upper control arm, behind the shock tower, down there, and then straight down into the front of the truck. Well, it's cold out, so this is a smart plug. Nothing about installing this engine block heater was necessarily hard. The block heater is just difficult to get to. There we go.